your dreams, chase the sunsets, follow streams. One life, one chance, come explore.
You know, it amazes me. Here we are in Spain, where the food is unbelievable. The tapas, the tortillas, the ham, the cheese, the breads and so on.
All without the nitrates.
And all they have to do now is they have a Taco Bell.
One of the main attractions in Barcelona is the Sagrada Familia, which is Antoni Gaudí's unfinished masterpiece. It rises like a magnificent surreal forest from the heart of the city. This is not just a building, it's a sprawling symphony of stone and light. When you enter it, it's like entering an entire different world with towering pillars and branches. As the Mediterranean sun streams through the spectacular stained glass windows, the interior is painted in shifting and vibrant pools of red, blue, and gold. It has been under construction for over a century. The sheer ambition, the organic shapes, the intricate detail of its soaring facades make it one of the most awe-inspiring architectural wonders on earth. It's a place where history, art, and spirituality collide, and as we walked around it, each and every angle was different.
The architecture fascinating, but I am always awed by the different cultures and the people. And look at that fountain. The water is pure, no one's afraid. And of course, he's dabbing himself because a lot of people were getting overheated, but a lot of people are also drinking from that fountain.
Yeah.
We were fortunate to witness the Castells. These are human towers. They're awe-inspiring, gravity-defying. It's a Catalan tradition of building towery structures out of people. Sometimes there are 100 and 150 people on the bottom supporting a number of towers, and the upper sides, they climb on each other's shoulders and they can go up 5 or 6 or 7 people. It's amazing to watch.
Cool. Yeah. You get still pictures?
No, because I got the tallest one over here.
Ramón, dime. 4 parejas el tío y 2 mazorcas. Oído. Para Connie. No me lo encimes. Luis. Son 5 parrillas ahora. Oído. ¿Quieres ir montándolas? ¿Quieres ir montándolas? Ahí tienes para montar.
So begin with a street food person.
Steak and sausage and little piece of fried bread that's ordered.
So typical Sunday in Barcelona, I guess. Everybody's out and about. So we are now approaching the Cathedral of Barcelona, which is their main Catholic church. Of course, much smaller than the Sagrada Familia.
you got out there easily. You made good. That's the best ever. Must be getting the knack of it. You want to get your cart out of the way? Gracias.
Very good. Thank you.
Yeah. You want me to get the brake off? Hang on.
YOLO adventure. Live your dreams, chase the sunsets, follow streams, one life.
Thank you
one
for
chance,
watching, and as
come
always, hit that
explore.
subscribe button, that notification bell, and see all the videos we have coming in the future. Thank you.
YOLO adventure! YOLO adventure!
Stars reach for the sky.